Hey guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor. So this is your daily Bitcoin update. So Bitcoin, my God. So yesterday I made a video that Bitcoin looks like it is going to fall from a cliff. And while for the next coming months, I was actually bearish, but Bitcoin surprised us all probably because of the things that are happening in America. A lot of people are buying Bitcoin. In fact, so many people bought Bitcoin yesterday that the Coinbase.com went offline. So that's the go-to website for buying Bitcoins in a very easy manner. You just need your credit card or debit card, and you can buy Bitcoin and other altcoins on Coinbase. So Coinbase went offline for quite a significant amount of time yesterday. So let's see what happened. So Bitcoin actually touched 10,400. So yesterday I told you that if Bitcoin actually pumps, we will see it touching 10,454, and it did went to 421. So this is not magic because what I had observed that in the past, like a few months back in February, it had actually tested this very level and it had actually crashed. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to again test this level again, and in the coming days, if we are able to pump ahead, because it looks like it will, because the MACD is now looking extremely bullish to me. If you're able to cross the 10,450 level, the next very level that we'll be testing is 11,500. There's absolutely no resistance between 10,500 and 11,500. So it will be straight $1,000 profit. However, if we get strongly rejected at this level, which I don't think it will, um, we will be testing the 8,500 level again. So um, and there's some support at $9,400 level as well. So maybe I should draw a line here. So this is also a support because we have tested this support in the past as well. Here you can see here, here, and here. So this is also this level will also give some support. However, there's one cryptocurrency that has been under the radar. People seem to make fun of it, and that is Bitcoin Cash. Now, in terms of USDT alone, boy, it is now testing a critical level, and it has done complete reversal here. Back in the month of March, it went down to $134, and it fell from 352. Imagine being a holder. But now there's a complete reversal of it, and it is looking very bullish right now. Again, 200 MA is acting as resistance, but Bitcoin Cash has so many things coming up for it. If you visit bitcoin.com, which is owned by Roger Ver, he's very vocal about it, and he often criticizes Bitcoin for being slow and having heavy transaction fees. You see, Bitcoin Cash is available on Coinbase.com as well, and it has the word Bitcoin in it. Bitcoin Gold is not on Coinbase, and the normies, the normal person, is if he's not able to buy one complete Bitcoin, which is about $10,100 right now, he will directly go for Bitcoin Cash. And if he sees the history of Bitcoin Cash, boy, this thing had touched around $4,000 in the past. So he'll be like, hey, if I can buy some Bitcoin Cash right now, and it might just touch $4,000 in the future. I'm not saying it will, but this is what I think he will think, or he or she will think. So I think Bitcoin Cash has good prospects that it can give heavy or excellent yields in the upcoming weeks and months. Let's see the Bitcoin pair real quick. So I'll fetch the Bittrex chart. This is a Bittrex chart because I think it has the most history compared to the other, like Binance, which recently changed the Bitcoin Cash ticker from BCH ABC to BCH, which is why it has lesser history despite having the most traffic. So this is the BCH BTC trading pair, and we can see that it is, when we look at the MACD, we can see that there's a proper reversal happening here. However, we are way below the 200 MA, and it is underperforming against Bitcoin. It looks like it is in the consolidation phase, but that is soon going to get over. Let's see the weekly chart real quick, which will probably give us a better view of it. So 20 MA, so it is under the 20 MA. However, the 20 MA is now going to come down, and there's a huge probability that we may be able to close above it. The MACD clearly shows that the bears are now losing control. The selling pressure is now going to reduce. You can see that in the past as well. As soon as the red bar started to fade from, they converted themselves to something like light orange here. You can see that we started consolidating, and then we went up. So this is the same. We might consolidate for a few weeks here, and then we can move to the upside somewhere in the month of September or October. So I said this in the previous videos as well, that October and November is looking like it will be a great month for the altcoins, especially the majors. So if you hold something like Litecoin or Ripple, the top 5, top 10 cryptocurrencies which have huge market caps, and they require proper volume to move. They are not like your random shitcoin that will pump with just 100 or 200 Bitcoin volume. These are heavy cryptocurrencies, and they like to stick. They like to be in the bull trend or a bear trend for quite an amount of time. So you will have plenty of time to sell, but at the same time you will have plenty of time to buy. Like right now, this is the time to buy. It's in the consolidation period, and +2, +5%, that won't matter. However, if you're trading in terms of USDT, your time is running out, because if the Bitcoin goes to $13,000-14,000, and if you're planning to buy using your fiat money, you will have to pay a lot of money to buy these altcoins. For example, the BCH right now is way outperforming the BTC, and you can see that we are now approaching a crucial level. The MACD is now crossing, and you see a bullish formation here, and I think the Bitcoin Cash, in terms of Tether or the USDT, it is going to pop very soon. So Bitcoin Cash, there's so many things coming for it, and I suggest you to log on to bitcoin.com to find out what other features are coming onto this blockchain. It has wide adoption, and I actually use this cryptocurrency in the Thailand, and a lot of restaurants there accepted Bitcoin Cash, which was kind of great. Nobody wants to spend Bitcoin while they are eating in a restaurant, because it can take about an hour for the transaction to get through, and nobody wants to wait for an hour or so. And I also saw Dash there. I mean, these two could do 2 or 3 cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Dash. They are getting some major traction, because a lot of businesses have started accepting these 3 cryptocurrencies. Anyway, if you found this video useful, hit that like button, and keep an eye on Bitcoin Cash, because so many people are so many people are criticizing this cryptocurrency, that it's worth taking a look. You have to be a contrarian to make some profits, because all these people who are thrashing this cryptocurrency right now, they're going to FOMO into it when it reaches, let's say, $1,000 or so in future. Because all these people was, back in 2017, I perfectly remember when the Bitcoin Cash hard fork occurred, so many people were thrashing Roger Ver, but all of these people bought Bitcoin Cash around $2,000, $4,000 here. So you would not want to be the person who buys Bitcoin Cash at, let's say, $1,000 or so. I don't have a lot of Bitcoin Cash, honestly. I have some, not a lot, but I will keep an eye on it if we are able to close above the 20 MA here, so which is $277, or in next week if it comes down a little bit. I'll keep an eye on Bitcoin Cash, because we see a bullish engulfing here. So in terms of USDT, the Bitcoin Cash is going to outperform Bitcoin in the coming few weeks. So that's all about it. Hope you found this video useful. Hit that like button to show your appreciation. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.